If you have a house in Pataskala, Ohio that you're looking to sell to a direct buyer where there's no fees, no commissions, this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses all over Pataskala. And when you sell to us, we're a direct buyer, so there is no real estate agent or realtor involved. Now, before I explain the difference in why so many sellers in Pataskala like to work with us, let me just kind of clarify. We're not against real estate agents, realtors. They do a great job, but it's for a certain type of seller. So if you're the seller, and more than likely you're not, but if the seller has a house that's in pristine condition, beautiful condition, doesn't need any work at all, and that same seller has all the time in the world to sell, so this way the real estate agent that they hire can do walkthroughs and get all these different people trekking through the house and whatnot. If that's the type of seller it is, a real estate agent's going to do a great job for you. If you're the type of seller that just wants to sell, you don't want a bunch of people walking through the property, you want to sell direct, you want to close at a certain date, most importantly, you don't want to do any work to the house. You want to sell it as is. You don't want to fix anything or clean anything or haul anything away. We're more than likely going to be the best fit for you, because when we buy houses, we're a cash buyer. We will buy the house in its as-is condition, and we're going to close on the date of your choice. So if you have a specific time frame or deadline or timeline that you're working with, you want to work with a direct buyer who's going to get this thing done. Now, a lot of sellers, they think, well, you know, if I'm selling to a direct buyer, what about the paperwork? This could feel intimidating. I'm here to let you know that when you work with us, it is the most simple way to sell a property imaginable. There is only one piece of paper that we need to fill out together. It is one-page document that's a purchase and sale agreement that just discloses and talks about 5 bullet points. There's 5 bullet points here, and that's it. The bullet point number 1 is the seller's name. We got that. We got to make sure your name is spelled correctly. You're the seller. Number 2, the buyer. I'm the buyer. That goes there. Number 3, the address. We both know the address that's being sold and purchased. Number 4, the purchase price. This is what we agreed upon, right? Number 5, the closing date. This is the date that we're going to close. And that's it. Those are the terms of this deal. But there's a big bold right at the bottom of the agreement. This is the most important one. It just says, disclosure, buyer is buying the house in its as-is condition. Done. We're buying it as is. There's nothing more to be said. There's no lead-based paint language. There's no mold. You know, what if there's mold, and what if, all of this stuff. That's what you get when you list with a real estate agent. A lot of the paperwork that you fill out, and we're talking 20, 30, 40 pages of stuff you need to read and review. It's way more complicated when you're selling with a real estate agent because there's so much disclosure involved. I mean, you don't know if there's mold, or they're going to find mold behind the fridge or whatever. Who knows? But you got to disclose everything with us. Since it's as is, that's it. It's a one-page agreement. And then the process is this. Once we get this agreement done, it goes right over to a local title company. You may not know what a title company is, but it's like a third party. It's an escrow company, and they're just going to make sure that all the paperwork is done correctly. So you're selling the house, we're buying the house, done. They're going to record everything with the county, and the money that you're getting the exact amount that we wrote on the purchase agreement. That's it. The only thing that could possibly come out of that, of the agreed upon sales price, would be is if you had any back taxes with the county, you know, they're going to want to get paid before this thing closes. And if you had a mortgage or something like that, right, that's got to get paid at the closing. But that's it. Everything else, this is a net figure to you, and there's no fees or commissions or anything like that, because that could be very expensive, and all of that could come right off your bottom line. So if you have a house in Pataskala that you're looking to sell easily to a direct buyer with no fees or commissions, contact us today at 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And by the way, when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. There's no gimmicks or sales tactics or games or anything like that. We're very real. We're local. We're not a call center. We're not located in some foreign distant land, and we're going to transfer you around, and maybe you're going to get some somebody. There's no games. We're basically just needing to know more about the house and then know more about when you're looking to sell. And from there, we can kind of see if we're a good fit for you. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on your house in Pataskala. And if our offer works for you, great, we'll get it done. If the offer doesn't work for you, no crime, no foul. We'll simply shake hands, we'll part as friends, and that will be that. There's no pressure or no haggling or anything. You're going to talk to me. This is it. Every single day, somebody says to me, are you the guy from the videos? Yes. What's the process? This is a normal conversation. I don't outsource the connection. I love people too much to outsource this. Right? We've tried it in the past, and it's just not the same. I love to be on the front lines personally, and I look forward to speaking to you. So with that being said, if you have a house in Pataskala, you're ready to sell this thing as is, keep it simple, no fees, no commissions, contact us today. Our number, once again, 614-300-5151, or visit us online, sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perchin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.